2016, and Melania became the First Lady of the United States. Melania focused on the best initiatives on children's health. Donald signed to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017. Melania hosted several state dinners at the White House, and Donald faced impeachment proceeding in 2019. The Trumps relocated to Mar-a-Lago after leaving the White House, and Donald Trump remains active in politics, hunting at a 2014 and run. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, explore the fascinating lives of the world's most beautiful women and discover the captivating story of the princes from around the globe, and get exclusive insight into the lives of royal celebrities and influencers. So subscribe my channel and click the notification. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video.